Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to walk you through the simple steps of logging into the Aegean Airlines website so you can manage your bookings, check flight status and more, all with just a few taps. So first of all, open up your web browser and navigate to the Aegean Airlines website. Once you are there, look for the login button to access the login page. Now you will see the login form. So if you have a Miles Plus bonus account, you can log in using your Miles Plus bonus number and password, or else simply enter your credentials here, that's your email address and password. Make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. Then click on the login button below. Now instead of manually entering your credentials, you can look at the convenient options. So if you prefer using your Facebook account, simply click on the login with Facebook button, then enter your Facebook credentials and grant Aegean Airlines permission to access your account. So same goes with your Google ID or Apple ID. Click on the respective button with your preference. Now underneath the login form, you'll see a link that says forgot password. So if you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on that link to reset your password. Now here you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Aegean Airlines account. This is the email address you used when signing up for your account, so make sure to enter the email address correctly to ensure you receive the password reset instruction. And if you scroll down, you'll see a register button here. So if you don't have an account, you can even create one for free. You can click on the register button below and this will take you to the register page where you'll need to enter some basic information to create your account. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found the information informative and helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.